I'm Andrew Jenkinson, the Caravan Expert, and welcome to my Caravan channel. Hi, welcome to another video, and also welcome to this classic Caravan video. There is going to be some new 2021 stuff. There's going to be some more used buys on the way, and also a few guides on what's different between a motorhome and a camper van, those type of things. But at the moment we're going to concentrate on this fantastic piece of caravan history. Again, somebody's restored a caravan and virtually sort of rebuilt it really. So this caravan is a 1961 Sprite Countryman. There was quite a few around at the time, and up until sort of the 80s, early 90s, you would see odd ones on sites where things hadn't changed very often. It's a 17-18 foot van. It was designed really as a holiday caravan, as they called it back in that particular period, where really it was designed for actually stopping on the site, a bit like today's seasonal pitch with a twin axle caravan. But it was also designed to be towed, so it came with full road lights, braking system. What was unusual about the first Countryman was it had its door at the back, and a nice little end kitchen and some side bunks, a nice big front lounge. Anyway, it was made from 61 up till 1966, so it had a 5-year run. In that time there were several changes, but anyway, the video I'm going to show you, I didn't get a chance to do the exterior because one of the problems was the van was actually inside a very dark building. I couldn't get round it, so I've just had to use one or two pictures that I was supplied, and then what I've done is added some archive pictures just to give you an idea of what it's like outside. But on the inside it's been taken in one, I think we took it in 1 or 2 takes, I can't remember now, and it's just a brief tour around, and it's again a piece of caravan history that we really should be preserving in the UK. We invented caravanning, we invented the touring caravan with the name Ettles, that's been around for many years and sadly is now no longer, as Swift decided to drop the Ettles name, but that's another video in the offing for that one. So without further ado, I'm going to take you straight on now to this Sprite Countryman, and this van really was quite different at the time, and the design and everything was quite architectural. It was very sort of early 60s, how can I put it, modern trend. And Sam Alper, who owned Sprite, he was very keen that his tours, okay, they were cheap, some say they were cheerful, but he was also keen that they were actually setting trends and also followed the latest trends. So follow me, let's go and look at the video. I'm transported back to 1961. And what tour am I in? Well, I'm in a Sprite Countryman. And to be quite honest, this tourer, I can remember as a child being quite popular on sites. It was classed as a tourer, but also it was classed as a holiday van. So in other words, a static too. It was about 17 foot long and about 7 foot wide, but again, I'll check the details after. And this caravan was very unique in a lot of ways. It came with a big U-shaped front lounge. It come with a separate end kitchen here, which is brilliant. It's almost like a mini static. A small toilet room, which was literally a room, and a bunk bed on this opposite side here. And this was designed obviously for children to sleep, but I would think, I don't know, I might be able to squeeze on there myself, I don't know. But you've got a window there. But if you notice, there's absolutely no cupboard storage at all whatsoever. But that's how it was. The Countryman was value for money. It was designed, as I say, to be towed as well. But the thing is, Now there's hardly any around, and I've just been lucky to be able to come and sneak in on this one storage and have a look at it. So I'm now going to go in the front end and I'll show you there how the Countryman looked, how big it is, and where the drop-down bed was. Because yes, in those days the drop-down double bed reigned supreme. In fact, you can follow me through. Right. Well, look at this. You could almost have this as a ballroom dancing area. The seating here would sit 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 5, 6 people here, no problem. And your table was a loose table like this, a freestanding table. So you'd be able to put that here and sit and have your meal. And on this side, there's a settee as well. And this on the wall here would come down as your folding bed. So it would be a double bed already made up and ready to get into. Now again, you'll notice there's very little in the way of well, there is no locker storage at all. It's a shelf. But again, back in the day, people didn't take as much with them at all. And if you did want any storage, you had a side dresser here with a cupboard and a drawer. But also you had 2 very good sized wardrobes here. And if you notice as well, the wood is proper wood. It's not photo veneer finish like they got on, what happened in the Touras later on. Now there's electric lighting in here, so that's been put in. But these were the gas lights, original gas lights all around. So that would have been your lighting. There'd been no fluorescence, no 12 volt. That was what you got for your lighting. And gas fire, well, obviously there's nothing like that. There's no hot and cold water. Well, cold water, no hot water, no shower. So by today's standards, basic. But these tours gave people a lot of pleasure and also put a lot of people onto caravanning. Sam Alper, the founder of Sprite, he was a very shrewd man. He was great in his forward thinking about the caravan industry and about the Sprite brand. And of course, as we know, Sprite emerged with Bluebird in 1963 and formed Caravan International, which became the biggest manufacturer of leisure vehicles in the world, not just in the UK or Europe, on a global scale. Right, well, I've hoped you enjoyed this video. Just a quick look around. And please do subscribe, and please also like, and please, I'd love to hear some comments. But in the meantime, this is a piece of history. I've not been in a Sprite Countryman ever. I've only ever seen them when I was younger. But it's just great. Oh gosh, the seats seem low down compared to a modern Tourer. But do you know what? You can imagine summer holidays by the seaside, in the countryside, and the family, because this would sleep 5 to 6 people. And you can imagine what great fun they would have. I'll see you soon, and please keep watching. And also don't forget, my book, The Story of Sprite Caravans by Veloci Publishing, is still available and is ready to order anytime on Amazon or direct from Veloci. See you soon. Bye.